It's a vintage Dover freight elevator, and it's on the floor. This is beautiful. It goes to the 2 basements in the first floor. Only one person has filmed this, and it was years ago, like close to 10 years ago. Forgot the user, but dang, this is a beautiful elevator. You can even see up in the shaft. Wow, what a treat. Let's go to 1. Look at these beautiful fixtures. Let's go to the SB. Let's take one more ride. This time let's look up the shaft. This is a college, so we're not really limited unless someone needs to use it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful machinery. Okay, we're gonna get off at SB. Wow. You can see the interlocks move. Let's get off at SB. Because on those other floors there are people and there's a class going on, so I don't want to disturb anything. This is a hydraulic. Just so beautiful. We're gonna get off here. £3,000. That's cool. And that's it.